The balloon fight.
Oh. Protect the
Oh, I lost one.
Oh, it's been bad all day. He's trying to do it. Yeah, I took 2 naproxens and Norflex, and Randy gave me 4 ibuprofen. I took a Percocet last night to go to bed.
That means I won.
It's not, I'm like, it's not just a headache, it's like making me, I said it's like making me nauseous, and it's excruciating pain. And I went to the chiropractor Thursday. I'm supposed to go back again Monday. No, and I'm going for dry needle therapy. Have you heard of that? It's been within the last 10 years, but they've just started introducing it and licensing it.